Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
What we
afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. What we were doing last class in physics?
Light.
Ma'am, lens.
Very good. Lens. For that, before moving forward, just a thought. Failure is not falling down, but refusing to get up. Okay? I hope you all will not give up every time you give test, e-test or practice test, sample paper test. You might be facing problems, you might be feeling like you will fail, but failure is not falling down but refusing to get up. So don't give up. You, I am sure, all will pass with flying colors, all will do good. So moving to our chapters, ଆମେ lens start କରିଥିଲୁ, spherical lenses. I want everyone to be attentive, to keep your copy, scale, pencil ready, because we will be doing the ray diagrams today, just the revision of this chapter, and I hope you are ready. Any new students attending the class for the first time? May I know the names, please?
Ma'am, Soumya Sagar Naik, I have attended yesterday also.
Okay, Sagar. Anyone else? No? Fine. Okay. Before doing the ray diagrams, let's see standard incident ray. ତମର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ମିରର ମନ ଥିବ, ସ୍ପେରିକାଲ ମିରର ମନ ଅଛି ନା ନାଇଁ, ଭୁଲି ଗଲଣି?
Yes, ma'am, Manoj.
ମନ ଅଛି? Okay. Same, likewise, we'll do this and we'll just go to the ray diagrams. Rule number 1. First, okay, who will say me how many ray diagrams are, or how many rays are required to get the image? How many rays are required to get the image form?
Ma'am, two.
Two,
Why two?
two.
Why two?
Because when two reflected rays will meet each other at that position, the object will form.
The object will form or the image will form.
An image will
To
form.
get the exact point of that image.
Very good, Santanu. Very good, Sovik. So we will just use two rays to get our image. So there are some rules, and you have already seen this in your mirror, isn't it? The first rule is the ray that is parallel to principal axis will always pass through what? It will pass through focus in case of convex lens, and it will appear to pass through focus in case of concave lens. Then second rule, the ray which pass through focus after refraction, it will become parallel to principal axis. This is the rule number 2. Third rule, the ray which is passing through the optical center will merge without any deviation. जो बाटे पास है से बाटे फेरिबो, हैला? So we'll go to the ray diagrams. Ready everyone? I'll just give 3 ray diagrams of convex lens and 2 ray diagrams of concave lens. First, you have to draw the ray diagram. You have to write the position and the nature of the image formed. Fine?
Yes.
I think so you all be able to do it, just a revision.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So note down.
And we will take the.
Yes, you will take the picture and just you'll take a pic and send me, or you if I say, you just on your video and show me,
Ma'am,
like
that C equals to 2F, that exact measurement we will take and draw.
yeah, you have to take, or else it will not come. Fine. When the object is between F and 2F, the first one, Okay. When the object is between F and 2F, when the object is at F, and third one, you have to draw this for convex lens. Okay, draw the ray diagram for convex lens when the object is between F and 2F, when the object is at F, and when the object is at 2F. These three ray diagrams, do it fast for convex lens. Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Today Jasmine is absent. Pratyush is also not there.
Ma'am, I got disconnected. Can you tell again what to do?
You have to draw the ray diagrams for convex lens when the object is when the object is between F and 2F. Bit 2 is when the object is at F, and bit 3 is when the object is at 2F. Okay, Ankita?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sagar, Anmol, and Jayashree, did you get what you have to do? You have to draw the ray diagrams for these convex lenses.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just draw it, and when I say, you just on your videos and with the show me the ray diagrams. Okay, fine. Fine, Sagar, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, can we mark the 2F as C
2F has
in the diagram?
no need of C. C टा कहाँ पे लिखी हुआ?
मैम स्क्रीन देखा जाने शेयर कर चंदी के
नहीं मुझे शेयर करनी. Question कहली, and I'm waiting for your replies or your answers. Pratyush, are you there? Done?
No, ma'am.
The first diagram.
Vaishali, Ankita, Ishana, done?
Ma'am, I will write that nature size and position.
Yes, yes. Or else the ray diagram is incomplete. Santanu?
Ma'am, last one doing.
Okay. And what about Subham?
I'm doing.
Okay. Sagar, Jayashree, Vaishali completed?
Ma'am, one more.
Pratyush, what about you? Can you hear me?
Doing it.
Do you know what you have to do? Pratyush? Do you know what is going on? What you have to do? You were late, I think, or you had some network issues. Okay. Okay, first one, Sovik. When the object is between F and 2F, show me the diagram, please. Sovik? Rotate your phone. Mate bonka dekha jauchi. Yes, likewise. Yes. Okay, and can you say me the position of the image formed?
I'm after 2F.
After 2F.
I'm
What-
beyond 2.
And what is the nature of the image formed?
I'm a real inverted.
Real, inverted, and size?
Enlarged.
Okay, good. So, ସମସ୍ତେ ଏମିତି କରିଛ ନା କାହାର କିଛି ଅଲଗା ବାହାରିଛି?
Ma'am, 3ଟା ହେଇଗଲା.
First one, Jayashree, Sagar, first one.
Yes, ma'am. First one. Language.
ସେମିତି ହେଇଛି? Okay, we'll discuss
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
We'll discuss again. Now, second one, who will show? Santanu, can you show the second one when the object is at F? Okay, very good. Where is the image formed?
Ma'am, image formed at infinity. It is real, inverted, and highly enlarged.
Very good. Third one, who will show when the object is at 2F? Jayashree. Jayashree, will you show the third one? Jayashree or Sagar?
Third one incomplete.
Okay, Sagar. Subham. Third one incomplete. Everyone. Nobody.
Can I?
Ankita.
Ma'am, can I?
Processing.
Wait. Let us wait for some time. Subham, are you there? Okay, Shantanu, you can show it. Okay. Where is the image formed?
Ma'am, at 2F2.
And what is the nature of the
Real, inverted, and same size.
Okay. So, let's see the ray diagrams for
I'm completed.
fine. For convex lens. When the object is at infinity, where will the image formed? When the object is at infinity. Kuha,
F2.
at F2. Is it
F2.
F2, and what will be the nature of the image?
Ma'am, real, inverted, and
Diminished.
highly diminished.
Highly diminished. Okay. So infinity mane ame janinu kouthi achi. So parallel, therefore parallel rays garako niya heichi, and after it come out or after refraction 2 रे form हो तमे मन थिबो मु जदे mirror पढैतिली what was the trick जेते बेले object ता कोन हबो
पाखु पाखु आसीबो इमेज टा दूर मींस
image ता
दूर पळेबो
दूर को जिवो मन अछि
यस मैम
ठीक है पाखु को आसला infinity रे थिला अबिका beyond 2f1 जेते बेले beyond 2f1 हैला सेते बेले image ता देखो घुंची जाईची at f2 रे थिला किंतु अबिका what is the formation
between f2 and 2f2
f2 fine between
Yes.
f2 and 2f2 and what is the nature of the image formed it is
मैम real inverted and diminished
fine third one जोटा कि third तमर थिला at f2 जेते बेले sorry at 2f1 then at 2f1 the image is formed at 2f2 हैला and it is of same size real and inverted बुझी पाछो first
Yes,
ray
ma'am.
आस्तु देखो first ray is parallel to principal axis किंतु after refraction कहा थ्रू रे पास कला rule number 1
Yes, ma'am. Focus F2.
आउ गोटे रे आमे नेलु जोटा कि ऑप्टिकल सेंटर पास करिवो ऑप्टिकल सेंटर पास करियो माने इट विल कम आउट अनडिविएटेड तारे किछि भी चेंजेस आसीबोनी तो एथि फाइन
Yes, ma'am.
okay when the object is between 2f1 and f1 तो it will form beyond 2f2 तो साइज
Yes,
टिके
ma'am.
बढ़ी गला and it is real and inverted theta को same parallel to principal axis passing through the focus f2 optical center बटे pass कला and when the object is at f1 the image is at infinity fine
Yes, ma'am.
बुझिला तापरे ता आउटिके पाखु जदी आसी जिवो जेते बेले f1 आउ टिके जदी पाखु को आसी जिवो सेते बेले कोन फॉर्म होबो ऑन द सेम साइड एटा होची कोन होबो इट इज
It is virtual, erect, and high enlarged.
highly enlarged आउ एटा गोटे केस जोथरे की से ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट सेम साइड ऑफ द मिरर फॉर्म हुए बहुत इंपोर्टेंट जते आमे अबिका साइन कन्वेंशन पढिबा तुमको एटा मन रखिबा को पडिबो convex lens ro सब रे डायग्राम बुझी आसिला or anyone doubt I'll just say it again
and the properties of convex lens is equal to the properties of concave mirror
not the properties mane
like they are ray diagrams
yeah somewhat okay
Ma'am, in concave mirror, when the object is at center of object is at say that time while doing the ray diagram, the reflected rays do not exactly meet at the point.
कौन हुए कि कौन प्रॉब्लम हुए sometime what you have to do actually किछि गोटे either scale जदी एपट सेपट रहि जिवो कि टिके भी जदी डेविएशन आसे जिवो सेटा मीट करेनी बट तमे सेटा सेति पई का मैन्युअली you have to see you have to practice it okay do it again neatly तमर मैं ताकू जेमती तमर सेटा सी आउ मापी की तमे करो जदी न हैला I'll just say you the trick I'll show you the video okay we'll see a video the next class and we'll see how to do it properly fine Sovik
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am
yes
जदी मीट न कला आमे मींस जदी खाली टे माइन्यूट डिस्टेंस थी होते ना आमे इरेजर रे निभे की ओटे घुंचे की
करि परिबो you can do it के मार काटिबेनी हैला मार
Yes.
काटिबेनी okay we'll go to the concave lens okay I'm not giving you to do the ray diagrams just see it jete bele first hochi when is that infinity eta infinity okay eta diverging lens ame last time dekhitilu jete bele backward produce hobo it will form at the same side of the mirror of the lens and at f1 au jete bele it is between infinity and optical center okay between infinity and optical center jete bele where is the image formed
image formed between optical center and a focus
yes and it is virtual मु तुमको last time भी कहथली ना concave lens रो मन रखिबो VED वेद ओके वेद सब बेले इक्वल वेद होची कोन
Virtual, erect, and diminished.
fine
Yes, ma'am.
clear okay practice it and I know you all will be able to do it. We'll go for the MCQs. We have 6 MCQs and I want everyone to read the question, answer it and chat me, message me personally. Fine. ए दीटा सइला परे कहिबो आ एका थरे 6 टार लिखिबो आ ए बी सी डी लिखिबो सो दैट मते देखिबा पई का सुविधा हबो. Don't write the whole answer. 1 रो कोटा हबो A ना B ना C ना D. सेमति 2 रो कोटा हबो लेखो. सइला फर्स्ट स्लाइड everyone.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Start. देखा जाउची समस्तंकु क्वेश्चन क्लियरली. Is it visible everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, first slide complete.
Everyone completed first slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was not there, ma'am. Once again.
Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay, 6 question achi. Let me see who all are getting 6 on 6. This is totally based upon the ray diagrams which we did now. ठीक से पढ़िबो और ठीक से आंसर दबो.
Yes, ma'am. First one over.
Over second slide.
Ma'am, this way will be
Just note it down in your copy and एकाथरे send करिवो 6 टा answer.
in the chat.
The chat, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
It will be easier for me to check. Now ABCD लिखिवो please. Done? Second one done? Ankit,
Yes, ma'am.
Pratyush, Shantanu, Sovik, Uma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pratyush. Ishana,
Ma'am,
Vaishali.
it is enlarged. मैंने मैम बहुत सारा points से enlarged अच्छी any point मैम. I'm highly enlarged or enlarged?
Enlarged, inverted and enlarged. तमे एटा देखिला परे ही जान परिबो कोटा ऑप्शन हबो. Convex lens, inverted and enlarged. मन पका inverted and enlarged कोठी थिला. What about
Yes, ma'am. मने
Vaishali, Isana and Jayashree? Over?
Ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Going for the third slide, okay? Last one. जार सइला से मैंने मते चैट रे सेंड करो. I got the answer from Santanu only. What else? ଆଉ ସବୁ କୁଆଡେ ଗଲେ? Sovik, Subham? Ishana, Vaishali?
Ma'am, could you show the last slide once again?
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Send me your answer, please. Okay, Ishana. Got it from Ishana also. What about others? Sovik and Subham? Vaishali, Jayashri, Pratyush and Ankita. Fast. Type করছো? Over? What happened to Sovik and Subham? Nobody is saying anything.
I'm typing.
Subham?
Ma'am, I typed, but due to disconnection, it got erased again. I am typing.
Vaishali? Ankita? Pratyush? Vaishali, are you there? Ankita?
Yes, ma'am, right.
Okay, got it from Sovik also. Send it fast. Okay. Subham is having network issues. Okay. So, Shantanu and Ishana, very good. Your all answers are correct. Sovik, you got one wrong. Okay.
Number 5.
Yes. Not number 5, number 4. Okay. And I don't know what about others. Let me discuss.
Ma'am, it got disconnected. All the answers got erased. Ma'am, can you give me more 2 minutes?
Okay, okay. Send it fast.
Ma'am, this is another means other than that 6.
No. I was going to discuss.
No, ma'am, this slide is other than that 6.
No,
Those you,
last one only.
ma'am, other.
5th and 6th question. Shubham, will you send me your answers? Okay, let us discuss the answers. I cannot wait for so a minute. Okay. So the first question was, for a convex lens, the only object position when the image is virtual. केतेबेले हबो virtual?
मैम जेतेबेले between f1
Ma'am,
and
between
optical center.
optical center.
Yeah, D is the right answer. When it is between F1 and optical center. Ray diagram for this is this one. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
When the object is brought closer to the focus of the convex lens, image
It's away from the lens.
away from the
Moves away from lens.
yes, it moves away from the lens. Now consider an object at infinite distance from concave lens. Where is the image formed?
At f on the same side of the object.
At F
The same side of the object.
at F on the same side of the object. Which of the following is true for a concave lens?
It can only make virtual and erect
Can
images.
only make virtual and erect images.
Okay, it can only make virtual and erect images. Sovik, what was your answer for this? Sovik? Fine. Consider এটা আমি ডিসকাস করলো নাই না এটা কোন
मैम आपण मझी स्लाइड टा छाड़ देले.
when is the image formed by a convex lens inverted and enlarged?
Ma'am, between 2f1 and f1.
Ma'am, between 2f1 and f1.
Okay, between 2f1 and f1. As the object moves away from a concave lens, the size of the image
Becomes smaller.
Becomes smaller.
just opposite of convex lens. Now it I discuss kolu. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll go to the sign convention of lenses.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be very एठू नाइ कि बहुत इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस আছে तम न्यूमेरिकल्स तम एठू करिवो बहुत इजी वे रे मु बुझेबी एंड आई एम श्योर यू ऑल विल डू इट you will be able to do the numericals. Sovik, Subham, ready for the sign convention? Santanu, Ishana, Jayashree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Be
Yes,
attentive.
ma'am.
Vaishali, Pratyush, be attentive. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
sign convention in mirror and lens both are same.
No. Yes, both are same. I just wanted you to revise. আমি নাই কি মিরর রে কোন দেখিथिलु এটা মনে পড়ছি মু এক্সাক্ট কইଥିଲି हां सो
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
जो किसी भी इमेज कौन होता किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट व्हेन इट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर सेते बेले नेगेटिव नहीं होता
Ma'am, ऊपर
Negative.
sign convention of lenses.
या आई नो मु मिरर के रिवाइज को तापर मु लेंस को जिबी फाइन तो मिरर रे हम एटा देखिथिलु कि जोटा जो मिरर सामने रे ऑब्जेक्ट रहइबो माने इट इज नेगेटिव जदी किछि जदी मिरर पछपटे किछि हला दैट इज पॉजिटिव
Positive.
फाइन जेते बेले ऊपर रहे
ऊपर को रहला positive, तळ को रहला negative.
तळकु रहले नेगेटिव सेम इन केस ऑफ लेंसेस आल्सो फॉर मन रखो एटा फॉर कन्वेक्स लेंस मु खाली कन्वेक्स लेंस को देखो तमरा ऑब्जेक्ट ता सब बेले एठी रुए नाही की
Yes, ma'am.
व्हाट इज यू यू कोन की कहि परिबो
Ma'am,
यू
Object distance.
ऑब्जेक्ट
Hello, ma'am.
object
This one.
distance will be here only.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
sent you the answers in WhatsApp, ma'am. Please check, ma'am. Due to network, I was disconnected out.
Okay, I'll do it. Surely.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the object distance? Could have in here only, therefore,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
yes. Therefore, it always will be positive or negative.
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 Here,
Yes, ma'am.
u will be negative. तापरे कौन हुए जेतेबेले focal length is always over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is focal length,
Positive.
it is positive. Mone rakha. Focal length is positive. Now what is v?
And B is image distance.
V is image distance. So mone pakao amara convex lens pai image जेतेबेले 80 form habo, it will be positive. जेतेबेले
Yes.
form habo, it will be positive. But case or be achi जेतेबेले in the same side form हुए,
Between F1 and O.
ଯେତେବେଳେ कौन हबो? What will
Negative.
Negative.
मन रहिला?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So V, it will be positive for real and inverted image and negative for all virtual and erect image. मन रहिबो convex lens पाइका.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
object height. Object height will be positive. Object के केबे उल्टा रहेनी ना?
No, ma'am.
Will be positive. Now what about the image height? For virtual and erect it is positive, but for real and inverted it is negative. किए convex lens रा sign convention बुझी पाइलानी? आउथरे चाहुचो सुनिबा पई सब बुझी गलो? Everyone clear? Still
Yes, ma'am.
आउथरे कोच साइन कन्वेंशन जेमिति मिरर रे थिला सेमिति लेंस रे बुझा जेबे लेंस साइड रे रहिबो ओके that will be negative, लेंस रो ऑपोजिट साइड रे that will be positive, लेंस रो ऊपर पॉजिटिव, लेंस रो तळे नेगेटिव. क्लियर? खाली फोकस करो फॉर कन्वेक्स लेंस. मु फर्स्ट आमे देखिबा kaharo u. What is u? U is nothing but what?
Object distance.
Object distance.
Object distance. Object ta कोठ रहइबो? एठी
Object left side.
somewhere here, isn't it? So it
Yes.
so for convex lens it is always negative or positive. Upper side अछि माने
Negative.
Negative.
Fine. Now what about the focal length?
Always positive.
Ma'am, always positive.
Always positive. Very good. Now what काहे कि सब बेले एपडे ही फोकस एटा होची एपडे फोकस टा
Yes.
एपडे.
Ma'am,
Is it?
R जो radius type means focal length रा separate right side.
Yes. Now next is image distance, that is V. For convex lens आमे रे डायग्राम रे देखिलु कि इमेज केते बेले ए साइड रे फॉर्म होची किंतु आमे एटा भी देखिलु एपड साइड रे भी इमेज फॉर्म होची.
Yes, ma'am.
तो जेते बेले एपड साइड फॉर्म हबो it will be what?
Positive.
Positive.
And what is the nature of the image form? It is always real,
Virtual.
Real and inverted.
and inverted, isn't it? And
Yes,
जेते बेले EP form होतला it is always virtual and
Virtual and erect.
clear. Everyone, now what is object distance? Object distance माने object or distance. से सबु बेले ऊपरे रुहे एम्प्टी रुहे ना उल्टा ही की रुहे object
Object सीधा.
सीधा ही की रुहे, then always it is positive. But for image, the height of the image, बेले बेले it is positive. कहाँ पाइन का positive हबो? When it is
Virtual and erect.
virtual and erect, it is positive. But when it is real and inverted, it
It is
is.
negative.
I hope you all are very clear about the sign convention of this convex lens.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. मते सेटा सेही अनुसारे मते concave lens पाइन का कुहो. What will be U? What will be V? And what will be F?
Ma'am, object distance will always negative.
Okay.
and image distance also negative, and focal length will be also negative.
Shantanu to kahidela.
Ma'am, and
That leave that one. That one we'll see afterwards. Now, who can Sovik or Subham or Ishana or anyone else, Santanu ko chhadi ke except Santanu, who can explain me what Santanu said? Why negative? Everything is negative over the concave for the concave lens.
Ma'am, because everything will be on the negative side.
For the negative side means this side.
Left side.
Very good. Very good. Mu sabubale object to ei side re rahibo, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ରେ diagram ଦେଖିଥିଲୁ, ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖେଇ ଦଉଛି. When we were drawing ray diagram, okay, suppose this one, the image is always, ମାନେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ image ଟା କେବେ ବି ଏପଟେ form ହଉନି because it is a diverging lens. Image is always formed on the left side, on the same side. Therefore, it is always negative. And we know the focus is also extended and it is found out to be on this side. The focal length will be negative. Monroe, concave lens time both easy. Sabujaka negative.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, but height of object and height of image is always positive.
Yeah. Why? Because it always form V
For erect and
Upward.
ED. Virtual, erect, and diminished. Then positive. Ready for the numericals? Gote numerical send the answer. We'll discuss. No, I'll just say if right or wrong. Then after doing all the numericals, we'll discuss. We'll see the solution. Clear? Before that, another thing. Lens formula. Okay. Before that, lens formula. तमरा मिरर रो जो मैं पढ़िथिलु कहार मन अछि what
Yes,
was
ma'am.
that?
Ma'am, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u.
That means just the difference कौन difference थिला
Minus and plus.
Minus and plus.
either सेटा मन रखो मिरर मन रखो लेंस टा तुमको आपे आपे तार ऑपोजिट हे जीवो नले तुम मन रखो कि मिरर पॉजिटिव लेंस मोर नेगेटिव you everybody know what is u and what is v and what is f. I do not have to say. Okay, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. That is, v is what? Image distance. U is object distance. And f is focal length. When doing numericals, remember more trick. तमो मन को जोटा help करे. What is given, then what you have to find out. After that, when you are doing numericals of lens and mirror, specifically when sign convention comes, remember everything in your mind. Mu कोठी positive sign करिबी कोठी negative sign करिबी सेति की हला माने full mark तमरा आसीबो ही आसीबो. Nobody will cut your marks. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Very easy and very interesting. Then another is magnification भी हमें पढ़िथिलु mirror रे.
Ma'am, what was? Ma'am, is there any formula to recheck that whether our sum is correct or not?
Like suppose तमरा एठी तमरा object distance देथिबो mirror distance पचारथिबो. Suppose तम mirror ता distance हमें पाई गलो तमे sorry image distance ता पाई गलो जेबे image पाई गलो तमे आउ गोटे फार्मूला रे माने एई फार्मूला image distance ता पक्के कि देखो object distance ठीक भाउची कि नै जोटा क्वेश्चन रे देइची. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
सेमती भी कर परिबो ना object distance, image distance, focal length. Suppose तुमको image distance पचारिची तमे image distance बाहर कर देलो तापर image distance जगह रे image distance और focal length को नै कि करो जदी से question रो जो तमरो object distance जो दे देथिबो given जो सेरा बाहर जीवो you will know automatically that image distance is correct. Fine.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
नने दीटा लाइक पॉइंट देथिबो आ भीतर लेंथ दे देथिबो जे ता भीतर मींस हम डायग्राम रे जानछु ता भीतर ही बाहरिबो जे ता भीतर मींस से मेजरमेंट भीतर बाहरला तन हेटा करेक्ट हे परिवार बेस चांस अछि
सेटा तमे सेटा एक्चुअली कोन कंफ्यूजिंग बोली का मुसरे डिस्कस करेन शॉर्टकट मेथड विद इन 10 सेकंड यू विल नो बाय यदि एबीसीडी देई थाय तो बट दैट
मैम
डोंट
देयर इज एमसीक्यू नॉट इन लाइक दैट
for MCQ, but don't go for that formula. I will advise everyone to go for basic formula. आमे जहाँ पढ़िलु जहाँ बुझीचु ताकू ही पकेगी करिबा हैला काई सेमिति हेले जदि कंफ्यूजिंग क्वेश्चंस आसिला you will get confused and करू करू ही भूल करिवो fine.
यस मैम
Okay, now magnification also we know height of the image divided by height of the object. Again it is related to
नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव
okay image distance by object distance. Monroe the formulas
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
we'll go for numericals. There are 3 numericals. Do the first one and say me, then second one, then third one. Then I'll change the slide. देखा जाउछि समस्तଙ୍କୁ
Yes, ma'am.
fine, very easy and
मैम अपन खाली चैट रे आंसर सेंड कर दबो
हाँ मते चैट रे आंसर सेंड कर दो 1 रो आंसर सेंड करिवो तापरे 2 करिकि 2 रो आंसर सेंड करिवो तापरे 3 करिकि 3 रो आंसर सेंड करिवो first one done.
No, ma'am.
Doing numericals लिखला बड़े what is given and what is asked. After that put the formula and take out the answer. Simple.
Ma'am, positive and negative signs for mirrors and lenses are same for concave and convex.
अबिका पड़ा पढ़िलु
Ma'am, bit
बुझी
ma'am, are they same? Are they same?
बुझी आसिला नहीं शुभम
No, ma'am. For the plus means concave mirror and convex mirror, concave lens and convex lens. The plus negative and positive signs for the mirrors are same and lenses.
you have to keep in mind where is the object placed. Okay, in convex lens and concave lens when we are doing lens, because the lens formula is different na for mirror and for that of lens. Mirror रे
Yes,
कोन
ma'am.
plus
हम
1
स्क्रीन शेयर बंद हे गला
बंद करली मु भाबिली कि से कि ओडे बुझी पाइलानी बोली शुभम सो तुमको सेमती मन रखिबार अछि शुभम कि मु ऑब्जेक्ट इन केस ऑफ द कन्वेक्स लेंस एंड कनकेव लेंस मोर ऑब्जेक्ट कोठी रहउची कनकेव लेंस रे और इमेज कोठी फॉर्म होची यू तमु जो भी साइन कन्वेंशन पढ़िली आउथरे पढ़िबी कि फॉर कन्वेक्स लेंस एंड कनकेव लेंस ना बुझी अछि बुझा अछि
Ma'am, overall I understood, but at some places am not able to understand.
Okay, let me do you want me to settle कहि थांदा ना मु आउथरे कहि देथांदी नो प्रॉब्लम ले तो
Ma'am, actually today net is very poor, so
okay fine nothing to worry. Listen देखो एटा एबे देखा जाउची
yes, ma'am.
see when for it is for convex lens
मैम आई हैव सेंड द आंसर
Okay, fine, Sovik. For convex lens, more u kona. Can you say me what is u?
U is the distance of the object.
Distance of the object. So u more convex lens रे u टा सब बेले एपर साइड रखिबी मु ऑब्जेक्ट
Yes, ma'am.
एपर साइड रखिबी ना ऑब्जेक्ट जदि
Yes, ma'am.
रखिबी ताले मोर सब बेले नेगेटिव हबो कोटा ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस सब बेले नेगेटिव हबो यस और नो
Yes, ma'am.
यस नाउ व्हाट इज f
Focal length.
focal length मोर कन्वेक्स लेंस रो फोकल लेंथ ता कोठी थाए दिस साइड
Positive.
positive so this focal length is always positive for your
Convex lens.
but for concave lens the focus is at left side
Yes, ma'am.
always negative
Negative.
clear now what is b
V is the object image distance.
so when the image is real and inverted आमे जब देखितलु real and inverted सब बेले एठी फॉर्म होतला ए साइड रे real and inverted
Yes, ma'am.
सेते बेले एपरे real and inverted सेते बेले कोन हबो positive
Plus.
isn't it किन जते बेले
Yes, ma'am.
साइड फॉर्म होतला सेते बेले erect and virtual फॉर्म होतला
Yes, ma'am.
सेते बेले कोन हबो v सेते बेले नेगेटिव हबो
Yes, ma'am.
into 80 v is always formed here always
Yes, ma'am. Negative.
it is always negative clear
Yes, ma'am.
now h o and hi for your convex lens object height is always ऊपर एमिति थाए सब बेले ए एक्सिस रो ऊपर थाए नै कि
Yes, ma'am.
is positive thank you lens रो एमिति ऊपर रहिले positive
Yes, ma'am.
real and inverted मु image पाए real and inverted से कोपड़े फॉर्म हबो
Negative.
it is negative किंतु when it is virtual and erect it is
Positive.
बुझियला
Yes, ma'am.
no problem now
No, ma'am. Ma'am, for concave lens, U is
you सब बेले एठी फॉर्म ना एपर साइड यू तो सब बेले
for
एपर
both the cases in convex and concave lens, U is negative.
always okay okay those who have done the first one please do the second one
Ma'am, is it okay?
we'll be discussing okay and those who have done the second one do the third one complete it next three we'll do in the next class done Shantanu done Shantanu Sovik
Ma'am, ठीक है.
Ishana Ankita क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ठीक से पढ़िबो दीटा कथा पचाछि कहिछि कि of what distance should an object be placed and also you have to find the magnification of the lens dita jinso achi read the question thoroughly हबनी डिस्कस करिबा ना हबो
yes ma'am 2 number सरीगलन 3 number
मैम तीनटा जाक क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पठा देले
हां पठे दियो विल डिस्कस दैट
मैम
yes santanu
मैम मैग्निफिकेशन टा मैं फ्रैक्शन में पठेबू या डेसिमल
anything decimal will be good fraction also will be okay
मैम मो फ्रैक्शन रे पठा देछि
चलिबो चलिबो okay shall we discuss these three question answers
No, ma'am.
no ma'am last one
Ma'am, last one only.
ma'am
yes
ma'am 3 number the position means the position of image
yes
okay ma'am
ऑब्जेक्ट रो पोजीशन तो हमें जानी छु लिखा है इज प्लेस परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस done okay shall I stop this screen sharing
Yes, ma'am.
everyone over
I'm sending in the chat.
okay so where are your other answers 2 and 3 and what happened to Subham
I'm sending.
okay Sovik is not there fine So this was the question. An object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave lens of focal length 30 centimeter. Find the position of an image when the object is a distance of 20 centimeter.
Ma'am, sent.
Yeah. Okay. So, देखो समझते. Focal length for your concave lens is positive or negative?
Negative.
Ma'am, negative.
Negative. It is so कौन लिखी वो minus
1 by minus 30.
Minus 30 centimeter.
minus 30 centimeter ଲେଖିଦେଲି. तापरे कौन ଦେଇଛି कि find the position of an image माने मते v पचाची object distance केते दे ଦେଇଛି 20 centimeter. तो object distance माने मु केते लिखिबी obviously it is
Minus 20. Minus 20.
Minus 20.
then what is my formula, lens formula?
1
by
by
f equal to 1 by
v
v
minus
1 by
1 by u is equal to 1 by f.
मते 1 by v दरकार 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. तो 1 by minus 30 and plus 1 by minus 20. It is minus 1 by 12, which is 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 12 and v is equal to minus 12 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
What about Subham? Did you got it now, Subham? Kemti
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, when we add in fractions the two numbers 1 by 20 and 1 by 30, ma'am, it comes 5 by 6 and minus 5 by 6.
How? 5 by 6?
1 by 20.
30 or 20 रो LCM केते?
60.
60. तो 30
60.
32 जा 60. तो minus 2.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the second question was a concave lens has focal length of 15 centimeter. माने focal length दे दीजिए. Concave माने पूरी. Focal length होची minus 15. Okay? And object distance पचाची माने u पचाची. V कते दे दीजिए 10 centimeter. Again concave lens माने minus 10 centimeter. Samiti पकेबो and what will be the answer?
Minus 6.
It is
minus 30.
minus 30. And what is my magnification? It is minus 10, that is image distance by object distance. Minus 30 by minus 10 by minus 30, it is minus 1 by 3. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Second term, be easy. Okay. Third one. Again, it is given, it is for convex lens. Mark the lens first, convex lens. The focal length, how a positive na negative? It is positive. The f is equal to plus 20 centimeter. And an object is placed, the distance of the object deji, mane u de deji. And for convex lens, the object distance is also negative. It is minus 30. मते v पकेची पुणी मु लेंस फार्मूला पकेली आ v भाला मोर 60 केमती 60 भाला कहिबी ना जानि पड़छ शुभम शांतनु तू पढ़ गले
Yes, ma'am.
got it Ishana Ankita
Yes, ma'am.
now magnification v by u, this is 60 by minus 30, it is minus 2. माइनस साइन टाकू भूलिबो जदी भूल हे जिवो काहे कि मैग्निफिकेशन जते बेले माइनस रे आसुची माइनस माने कोन इट इज रियल इमेज क्लियर
Yes, ma'am.
fine next class we'll do the next 3 questions.
Ma'am, can you send these answers in the
I'll be sending you the answers. Okay, fine. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.